Hi everybody, this is Georg again. If you're new to this channel, check out the other Blues and G videos too, as they all build on each other. And support this channel by clicking on the thumbs up button and please write a little comment. In the last videos I have introduced the additional notes on the E string that one can play with the dominant 7th chords. In the extended jazz blues form we also play D minor 7 and A minor 7. Here you can add the root and the 9th on the E string too. Let me give you a little example how to put them together. Here we go. I hope you now feel like trying it out yourself. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and stay tuned. See you soon.